Hi, this is Jake with Optimus Forex, and in this video, I'll be showing you a couple different methods on how to open up a chart on the cTrader platform provided by IC Markets. Now, before I do begin to the tutorial, I would like to mention that whether you're a beginning trader, a first-time trader looking for a new platform, or an advanced trader just looking to try out something new, feel free to follow the link down in the description below, which will, if clicked on, take you directly to the absolutely free sign-up page for a demo of IC Markets cTrader. Now on to the video. Like I did mention, I'll be showing you a few different ways on how to open up a chart on cTrader. Now by default, you should have at least one chart that does populate on your screen when you do first open up cTrader. Now first, I'd like to show you how to change a contract. At any time, if you wish to change a contract of a previously populated chart, you can simply just click on that chart that is currently active or activate the chart in which you'd like to change that contract for, and then left click this drop down button here. Once you do click on that drop down button, as you can see, you will get an instrument directory here, and it is broken down by the different exchanges or the different type of currency you're looking for. So as you can see, we currently are under the Forex category. If I like to, I can either manually search for a contract of something I'm thinking of, or I can simply left click one of the contracts here. So as you can see, we have the Euro US dollar contract currently open. If I like to, I can open up the Australian versus the US dollar. As you can see, if I click it, it automatically reconfigures. I can do the same for the chart over here, which is currently not active. Again, simply left click it, activate it, then left click the drop down menu and select the contract we'd like to open. This is great, but if those users who utilize multiple monitors would like to open up multiple charts on different windows, we can actually detach it here by left clicking the detach chart. And as you can see, it'll become its own chart window. So if you do have multiple monitors, feel free to detach it and then drag it off to a different window. Closing this out now, as you can see, if you'd like to open up a brand new chart with an entirely new contract, if we click the add new chart button here, as you can see, it'll bring down the symbol directory one more time. And we'll first need to now dictate which contract we'd like to open up on our chart before our chart's open. So selecting our contract now will actually open up that chart. And as you can see, we've opened up the Euro versus US dollar instrument. Now for those users without multiple monitors, but would like to utilize multiple charts at the same time, there's a couple ways to do so. If you left click here, the switch to multi-chart mode. As you can see, it will configure your tabs in a way that displays multiple charts at once. Now another method of doing so is by heading over to this toolbar here, the charting toolbar on the left hand side, which can be dragged around and moved if needed, but we'll keep it here for now. As you can see, there are several different variants of chart modes. We are currently on the multi-chart mode, which will allow us to open up to 4 charts. We do have a single chart mode, which was the default layout, and it will populate us back with 1 chart, giving us 2 tabs now in which we can switch back and forth. And finally, we do have a free chart mode. This allows us to drag our charts in an orientation of our liking. So another way to open up a chart now that we're in multi-chart mode, I think this is a good segue. If you actually right click a chart within your watch list or even on your finder here, as you can see, we can actually open up a new chart for the contract we've specified. So if you'd like, instead of going through the small submenu of the tabbing at the top of our charts, we can use the larger finder here, which is definitely a bigger breakdown and does give you more detailed statistics of the contract you're about to open up. As you can see, you can either right click that, or we do have the little shortcut button here, which does allow us to open up the new chart. Clicking on it will open up a 3rd chart. We can do so for a metal contract if we'd like. And as you can see, it allows us to add 4 charts if we'd like. We can do so for Bitcoin as well. And being that we are in free chart mode, it will allow us to essentially keep on adding charts to our charting section here. And again, at any time, if you'd like to change that contract, simply just left click that drop down menu and select the contract of your choice. But other than that, that about exhausts all the different options of opening up a chart on cTrader. The video is fairly simple, but we just wanted to give you a few alternatives in any need in which you may need to open up multiple charts, or you're just looking for a new convenient way to do so. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also comment if you have any further questions or found this video helpful. And again, for those of you that are looking for a new Forex trading platform, whether you're an advanced trader or starting out for the first time, feel free to check out that link down in the description, which will bring you to the free sign up page for IC Market cTrader. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Once again, thanks for watching.